And what up? So today I got my nieces and nephews with me. Y'all know who Justice is. Justice is the one from the other videos. And Justice doesn't like cars, huh, Justice? Justice don't like cars.
I like annoying cars.
He like
scared.
He like the little cars, but he don't like you don't like the big car?
I do. I like when he said vroom, he's scared. But I want a car like yours.
But you scared of it.
I want to drive in it.
You wanna go drive it?
Myke.
Oh yeah. So this is Justice's sister Journey right here. These are my brother Didi kids. Y'all don't know my older brother yet.
I'm
And then this is my nephew Zaya right here. Zaya is my other little dreadhead. So
I was watching Kyrie on his PlayStation a video about a long time ago. When Justice got scared.
That's my
But yeah, today we're gonna be opening boxes. We got two Jay-Z parts and all that stuff. So I don't usually do unboxing videos, but a lot of y'all been requesting like, oh, let us see some unboxing stuff. So I guess we'll unbox the stuff. I don't know what's in these boxes. I just know I ordered a lot of stuff. I don't know what came, what didn't came. So my first time seeing it. This will also be y'all first time seeing it. So I got them here helping me, you know, with the unboxing and stuff like that. So let's start seeing this unboxing. We definitely we got a bunch of boxes right here. But yeah, I decided to do a vlog on my nieces and nephews because my other nieces and nephews that aren't here also watch the videos with them in them. So yeah, decided to do you know, more stuff with my nieces and nephews. So let's get this unboxing done. You ready to open some boxes?
Yep.
Yeah!
So yeah, we got a whole bunch of Jay-Z parts here.
I'm ready to open.
So we're gonna start opening them. Which one you want to open first, Justice? You pick a box. You want to open that one first? All right, come on, let's open that one. Here, hold it. Hold the box tight. Hold the box. Hold it tight. Hold the box.
So you're supposed to pick yours.
Ready?
I'm gonna open two.
You gotta hold it. Now open it. Open it up. Put your hands right here. Open it. Pull it. Pull it. Use the muscles, fool. Pull it. Pull it.
I got muscles better than Justice. I be pulling
Come on, pull that one. Pull that one.
Bam, bam. Oh shoot! I forgot about music.
Let me see yours.
What's in there? Nah, this don't go in no car. Yeah, we don't need that. What's that? Pull that one out. Pull that out. Oh, it's a flange. So this is the Turbo Smart flange for the big bubble blow-off valve. The big bubble blow-off valve, I think it's 52 or 54 mil that's on there right now. And we're gonna be redoing the piping. So I bought this, you know, that way we can move this around. Cut that off, boy. Copyright. Cut it off. Cut it off. Yeah, go throw that one in the garbage. Step on it, then throw it in the trash.
Here, let me see.
Yeah, you gotta crush it. Step on it.
Stop.
Step on it. Step on it. Step. Crush that thing. Alright, next on the list is this. Who's gonna open this one?
Me, Johnny, and Elf too.
Go ahead, open it.
Oh, some shoes.
No, it's not shoes.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Ain't no shoes. What is this?
It's
What's
the
this?
hose for the.
Here, open this box. You gotta open the tape right here. Peel the tape off.
It's for the loud noise.
Let's go.
You still got it. You got some more right here. Huh?
I got a motorcycle.
You got a motorcycle?
Yeah.
Thought you wanted cars.
No.
You want a motorcycle now?
Yeah.
I got 2 cars and I got 2 motorcycles in my dad's house.
I got 2 motorcycles too. What is my red one and what is my green one?
Here, peel it from right here. Let me
Why,
see.
Johnny? Why, Johnny? Johnny, white? White?
There you go. Flip them this way.
I get 1, 2.
Bam. So what are these?
Papa.
It's for the
So-
the puppets.
These are the injectors for the 2J right here.
You a puppet.
Here go the clips for them. Top hats and all that other stuff. We won't need the top hats because we have the iridium rail, so no need for the top hats, but we'll keep these. And then these just basically need to be obviously soldered in.
What's that? What's
So
that?
2000cc injectors for the Jay-Z.
What's
What's that? Anything else in there? What's in there? Or you just popping stuff?
Popping it.
Alright, pop those and throw it in the trash.
Yeah,
Here, help him, Zaya. Help him open that box. Use the key to open
I
it.
can get it.
No, I do it.
I can do it.
Let him help you.
Put a tape off now.
You gotta, here, let me see. Let me show you. Nah, leave the tape on there. You don't need to do that. Let me see the key. I'll show you how to open boxes. Hold the box still. See the sharp point of the key? You just put it in here in the crack.
Open it, Justice. That's your present.
Let Justice open it. Go ahead.
Just you need help?
That's your present. Open it. Look what your present is. It's just like a present. This is going to be my big old present. That's Desire big old present. I said big old.
What's in there?
Here, Justin.
What's that?
Oh,
that's a light.
It's for the
Lights.
It's for the lights.
Let me see.
For the light.
These are the new LED high beams right here.
These are gonna be like this, Jordan.
I had some under before, but what ended up happening was, I don't know, when the car was getting dismantled, one of the center units for it, the little power thing to hold it. Yeah, pull this off. Pull it off. But yeah, one of the power units basically got misplaced. Watch out how you hold it. You don't just grab those like that. But yeah, these are LED high beams. Watch out. So yeah, these are for most people that are following on Instagram, they seen my SC with the lights on. These are bright as hell. These are just replacements. I bought new high beams and low beams, and also have some of these for the fog lights. So at night the car is basically gonna be stupid ass lit up.
It's light.
I know it's gonna be bright too. So next on the list is the second biggest box. Huh?
Guess what?
What?
I got a new coin. It's a red. It's red.
I got a better car. I got a Lamborghini.
I got a red coin, Myke.
You know what you're doing, girl? Here, hold the box.
I got it. I got it. It's my turn.
Here, you're not doing it right. You're gonna mess around and cut yourself. Move. Hold the box.
Let me hold it. Okay. Let me do it. Stop it.
Oh, now it's gonna be my turn.
It's for my present.
Oh,
Josiah, stop. It's not your turn.
cut the tape off.
What is it? What's in here?
My present.
Ooh, I got another. Wait, what is
Let me
it?
get it. Stop it. Stop it.
Oh,
Stop
it's for the. It looked like it's for the wheel.
It's heavy.
It's heavy?
I got a second box. Stop. I got a second box.
Let's see what's gonna be inside this.
Oh, so we can
Hold on.
Can I keep this box?
Yeah, you can have the box. I don't want the box. Here, open that. Pretty sure this is the exhaust housing right here for the new turbo that's probably gonna be in this box.
I can do it.
Open it. Go ahead. Just pull the top off. You can pull this part.
What? Stop! It's not your turn.
Don't be quiet. It's the oh.
Something.
This is heavy. Don't drop it on the table.
I'm not dropping this. Here, let me hold it.
Let me see. So yeah, this right here, this is the new exhaust housing for the BW turbo.
What's that?
It's exhaust housing for the turbo.
So I can make it room.
Yeah, it's gonna go room room.
That's gonna be scared. And that's gonna be like.
This one, this is undivided. It's 88. Most Borg Wonders, they all use this Mandro flange or whatever. So I already have that. This should be the exact same size on the that's currently on the SC. But yeah, this is for the new S369. So obviously, if this is the exhaust housing, yeah, it's gonna be loud. It's gonna scare you some more. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, last box. Let's get the last box open. Use the sharp key. Use the sharpest key.
This
The sharp one, not the big one. The sharp one. Which one looks the sharpest?
looks like this.
It could go.
Let me see. Nah, how you gonna open it and you ain't even using the point of it? Boy, and y'all over here trying to play with knives. Here, you're doing it wrong. Flip the box. You gotta flip the box around. Keep flipping.
What's that? The charger.
Okay, let's play music.
No, don't play no music.
Don't do that. Have it on film.
Just pull it. Just pull it. Now start pulling it off. Try to open it.
I'm opening myself, Johnny.
Use the muscles. Y'all terrible. We know y'all don't be opening gifts on Christmas. Y'all not open no gifts?
I do.
Let's open it because I'm fun. Yeah, that was me.
No, it wasn't. Yes, it was.
Oh, let me keep this. Oh, what the heck? What the?
Johnny.
Lisa, you get a second box again?
I think I was going to get a third box.
Gotta hit the gym, boy. Move this one.
You always
Boy, you still don't listen. How I tell you how to do it?
Because I heard you when I was paying attention.
Yeah, see? How your grades in school? You pay attention in school?
No. No, because people always be making me distracted.
Nah, that ain't got nothing to do with you.
Michael, I got two
You tell them.
scores.
You're supposed to be listening to the teacher, right?
Yeah,
I listen to my teacher. My teacher.
Johnny, stop.
I want a bike without training wheels.
You can ride the bike without training wheels?
Johnny, give me this.
Y'all watch out.
Another one will move.
It's two. These are.
Let me do it.
Johnny,
Don't drop it on this glass table.
It's another one.
Johnny. Load.
Oh,
Why you struggling, boy?
because I always do. That's another one.
You can't lift the turbo up?
I can't lift it.
Come on. Here, let it go. Here, pull this plastic off of it. Pull this off. Here, grab this.
Here.
Hold on. Hold on, Justice. We gotta keep this. I need that. We need these too. Hold on. Y'all moving too fast. You moving too fast. We need that. You don't bend that, boy. Hold on. Hold on. Calm down. Hold on. Hey. Hold on. You're moving too quick. We need this box. What's in here? Instructions. All right, we need that. Put that box over there on the other couch. I gotta ship my. Put it right here. We gotta keep that one.
Can we keep this box?
Alright, so now that they out the way and done playing with boxes, let's get this thing opened up.
Where's my phone go?
Right here. Here, your phone.
Thank you.
Cut the light off.
Okay. I can't cut the light off.
It's right here.
Huh?
So what you was recording? Here. There you go.
Cut the light off?
It's off. So here we go. Here is the new S369 from Borg Warner that is going on the SC. All fancy billet wheel now. Bam. And then obviously you're gonna use these little nuts right here and the little spacer collar lock thingamajigger that be coming with this. Yeah, this thing is fucking huge. Usually Borg Warner frames are, you know, big anyway, but the S369 is a pretty big turbo. Everything just bolts on. Obviously, it's still going to be a little loose because I need to clock it and everything when it goes on the SC. But yeah, this is the new... damn, this thing is fucking heavy. This is the new S369 right here. Hold on. Get it together. Get it together. All right, here we go. New S369 right here. And this is going to be replacing my S363. The S363 is a dope fucking turbo for the size. It's just, you know, I have bigger power goals. I wanted to do an unboxing of the cams, but the cams said they were supposed to be delivered today, but they didn't come. So I guess y'all just see those in the next vlog. But we do have, like I said, we do have a lot of stuff going on, a lot of stuff coming up. So this is going to be going on probably maybe Monday or so, or Sunday if I feel like doing it on Sunday. But yeah, definitely got a lot of stuff going on. So yeah, I'm gonna be a little prima donna. Only thing I don't really like about this, as far as how everything is, like the turbo looks fucking fantastic. Obviously, I'm a big fan of Borg Warner. I've been running on the SC for a while. I just don't like this finish on the housing right here. It's like, you know, it's not smooth. It's it's like prickly. A little on the ugly side. A little bit of sanding could have fixed and got rid of, but it is what it is. Maybe I'll sand it when I get the housing and everything off, but yeah, I don't care for that too much. It's like, meh. You can definitely cut yourself on this. Obviously, you're not going to be putting your fucking fingers in here while the turbo and shit's all going, but you can definitely, you know, if I was to push down on it and run my finger across it, I can definitely slice that thing. Yeah, until next time.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady, speed limit 65.